Good morning, students. On that day I have completed the molarity topic. So one more review I am giving to you about the molarity. That molarity is the moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. And molarity is we can also say as moles of solute upon volume of solution. Volume of solution is coming in ml also, centimeter cube also. But when we have to divide the liters into ml, that's why we have put it here 1000. Okay, multiply with the 1000. This is the molarity. You all should know molarity. Now today our new topic is that how we have to find out the mole. Okay, here you can see in short what I have written. Molarity, moles of solute upon one volume of solution. Moles of solute that we are denoted with N. Now from where this moles of solute, we don't know. Now that's only I am going to tell you about that from where we have to got the moles of solute and how we have to find out. So how to find mole, that is N. N is denoted by N only, weight or mass of solute upon molar mass of solute. Okay, molar mass of solute is denoted by m naught. This is said to be m naught, and mass of solute we are said to be as W, small w. Now what we will have to do, this is I have made this equation is a first equation and this equation is a second equation. Now second equation have to put in a first formula. What we have to get, now see here, this is a m here, weight of solute. Now 1 liter of solution. 1 liter of solution means what you have to put here? You have to put this one thing, molar mass of solute into volume of solution. Okay, the and denoted by W is equals to m naught into volume of solution is VL. Okay, m is equals to W m naught into VL. This we have to find out, and this formula is come when we are multiplying with the 1000. We are multiplying when we have to change liters into the milliliters. Understood? Now sometimes molarity given molar mass we know have to find a weight. Then now sometimes we have to find out the weight also. At that time what we have to do? At that time we have to do weight is equals to molarity into molar mass into volume of solution. These three things we have to use. Now molarity, molar mass m naught and volume of solution. By this we have to find out the weight. Don't be confused. Please, this thing is for the mole and this thing is for the molar mass. How we have to find out the weight of the molarity of the molar mass. Okay, you can see it, and if you want to write in your copy you can write also. Now next is what is the strength of it. Okay, strength of solution, that is mass of solute in per liter volume of solution is called strength. Strength means we can say that is a not a weakness, strongness. That is a strength. In molarity we use mole, here in strength we use mass. In molarity we are using mole, but here what we are using? Mass. Strength is equals to mass of solute upon volume of solution. This is the denoted by. Now when we have to find out the relation between the strength and the molarity, what we have to do? Molarity, this is the, what is this? This is the formula. This is the formula is coming. Now one thing very important you can see, strength formula is W upon VL. W upon VL, and this is the molar mass. Now W upon VL, how we have to find out? We are saying W upon VL is equals to S. We have given a one, only one thing we have given, that is S. Now M is equals to, this M is equals to S. Okay, S will come here upon m naught, this m naught. W upon VL we are changed into the S. S upon m naught. Now if we want to this and this, we will multiply, then this thing will come here, that strength is equals to molarity into molar mass of solute. Okay, on this one topic, strength, actually beta, before starting the normality, this thing is very important to teach you. And one thing is very more, equivalent, gram equivalent is also coming. That also is very important to teach you, because all the things depend, normality, formality, these things depend upon these only things, strength and the equivalent.